bought this extra large jacket for the fabric only, but embroidery was applied on top of seams. Challenge is, how do I make this jacket size 6 and keep embroidery seamless? I took apart the side seams, shoulder seams, and armhole. I started recutting back. My body sloper is great to start with. I added shoulder pads to my mannequin and draped it on. Draping is a big part of redesigning. I wanted it to have more shape, but I had to be very creative to figure out where to add the darts without distracting embroidery. I marked the armhole and I'm going to cut it on the flat. Seam, and now it's time to add facing. Okay, added facing. Very nice. Before I sewed the sleeves, I had to create a lining pattern. Only way I could create a lining pattern is through the draping. This actually makes upcycling harder and more time consuming than creating from scratch. To mold around the shape of the self. Let's skip the back making. What's the point wearing silk if we can have silk lining? This is what it was inside. It's like a cardboard. This is what I'm going to put in. I cut directly from drape, transferred darts, and I will get to my sewing machine. I used my sleeve sloper to cut the sleeve. I was pleasantly surprised how easy it was to set the sleeve to the armhole. I haven't decided about the bottom yet. Should I make the green or wear with black?